Welcome, in front of me is a Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, expand them, there we go, and in here you will find the Do Not Disturb mode toggle on one of the pages. For me it's on the second page right at the bottom. Once you locate the toggle, you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where it looks like we have, there we go, we need to enable it to actually have the settings. So just enable it for now and customize the settings to your liking. Now, probably one of the more important ones are things like who can call you and who can message you. Obviously you have a couple other ones, so set them up to your liking. Once you're done, from there, whenever you want to utilize your Do Not Disturb mode, you can simply tap on the toggle to turn it off and then tap on it again to turn it off once you're done with it. So that's one way, and another way you can utilize it is by setting up the, where is it? Guess this is what the schedule would be. So it's the one below, but in here you'll find the options to set it up. So start time, end time, and basically that's all you would need to do. It looks like it has its own separate section for the settings, so customize those separately. And once you have set that up, then you don't need to turn on the actual toggle right here. The phone will do it for you automatically. And once the timer, or once the time actually reaches its time that it's supposed to turn it off, it's gonna do it automatically. So it's basically completely hands-free, you don't need to do anything. But anyway, that is how you can set it up and utilize it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.